Welcome to Brain Bolt. Can you answer this 30 geography quiz that everyone should know? Let's get started.
Which city is the fashion capital of the world? What is the most popular pet in the world? Which country has the most advanced technology? Which is the largest hot desert in the world? Which country consumes the most tea? What is the highest mountain peak in the world? Which country has the most time zones? Which country has the largest population in the world? Which country has the oldest national flag still in use? In which country was the hottest temperature ever recorded? What is the most beautiful country in the world? Which country has the highest number of billionaires? Which country has the most beautiful eyes? In which country are there no mosquitoes? Which is the most expensive country in the world? Which country has no rivers? What is the largest jungle in the world? What is the hottest continent on Earth? Which country has the most islands? What is the capital city of Thailand? In which country is the Taj Mahal located? Which country has a city that spans 2 continents? What is the most widely used currency in the world? Don't forget to subscribe to hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching.